Here you can see I have got some interesting results from Zeydoo platform. Let me show you how you can use this platform to get some interesting results. I'm going to share with you step by step, but quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. You can go on Zeydoo platform. You can get your exclusive offers with a high traffic volumes. Here you can see this platform has got 4.2 star ratings on Trustpilot. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can type here your first name, last name, your address. You can select your affiliate type. You can type here your email address. You can select your messenger type. You can type your username in messenger. You can click on next button. Now you can fill all of this information. I have already made tutorial about how to create account on Zeydoo platform. You can watch that tutorial to learn everything. After creating account on Zeydoo platform, you will then come to this page. Here you can see CPA offers. Here you can see vertical. Here you can see accepted device. Here you can see accepted countries. This CPA offer is accepted in 234 countries. You can click on a smart link button. Here you can see description. Top performing smart link for any kind of traffic. You can use any of this traffic source like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok and Telegram. You can scroll down. You will have to add traffic source. You can click on add source button. If you have traffic on Facebook page, then you can type your Facebook. If you have traffic on your Instagram page, then you can type your Instagram and then you can click on create button. Now you can select here your traffic source. You can click on get link button. Here you can see I have created a smart link. Click here to copy this smart link. Now in next step what you will have to do is you can visit on FreeAdsTime platform. Here you can see some advertisement. Here you can see this person has inserted certain URL. Let me show you another advertisement. Here you can see another advertisement. Here you can see title. Here you can see image. Here you can see add description. You can see this person has added website URL. You can click on post and add button. Now you can select here this option. You can choose here country. Now you can select your category. You can select your subcategory. Now you can click on continue button. You can select your country. You can choose your state. You can choose your city. You can choose any of this city. Now you can click on continue button. Now you can type your ad title. You can type your ad description. Guys, you can use ChatGPT platform to generate title and description. Now you can type your visit for more. Now you can paste your smart link. You can visit on Zeydoo platform. Here is showing a smart link. Click here to copy this smart link. Now you need to shorten this link. You can visit on URL Q platform. You can paste your smart link. Click on shorten button. Here is showing certain URL. You can click here to copy this certain URL. Now you can go on FreeAdsTime platform. You can paste your certain URL. Click on continue button. Click on continue button. You can type your name. You can type your email address. Click on continue button. Now if you want, you can upload your image. This image can help you get more users. If you want to get more features, then you will have to spend some money. You can choose any of this plan. I'm going to select basic plan. Now scroll down, click on continue button. You can choose your individual. Select your new option. Click on continue button. Now you can paste your website URL. You can go on this order platform. Click here to copy this certain URL. Now you can paste here. Click on continue button. Now you can click on submit button. Yeah, here we go. You can see your ad has been submitted. Guys, it will take some time to review your advertisement. After getting approval, your advertisement will go live on this platform. Guys, when your user will click on this certain URL, then Zeydoo platform will show CPA offers according to user. When that user will complete the required step, then Zeydoo platform may create your account. You can also share your certain URL on Facebook page, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, and Telegram. Guys, if you want to learn more about Zeydoo platform, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.